Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We're driving along 3rd Street in downtown Baton Rouge, one of the city's oldest and most historically layered corridors. This street runs parallel to the Mississippi River, and for more than 2 centuries, it has been shaped by trade, politics, culture, and reinvention. Baton Rouge itself was founded in the early 18th century, and 3rd Street developed as part of the original downtown grid when the city grew into a key river port. Proximity to the Mississippi made this area vital for shipping cotton, sugar, and other goods that fueled Louisiana's economy throughout the 19th century. As you move along the street, you're passing near the old Louisiana State Capitol, a Gothic revival building completed in the mid-19th century. It served as the seat of state government before the Capitol moved uphill. During the Civil War, Baton Rouge changed hands multiple times, and downtown, including this area, was directly affected by Union occupation and military activity. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, 3rd Street became a commercial spine. Warehouses, banks, hotels, and storefronts lined the road, supporting river traffic and rail connections. The street reflected Baton Rouge's role as a working city rather than a purely political one. The Mississippi River flood of 1927 had a major impact on downtown Baton Rouge. While the city avoided the worst devastation seen elsewhere, the flood reshaped how Baton Rouge approached levees, planning, and river control. 3rd Street remained closely tied to the river but increasingly separated from it by infrastructure. During the mid-20th century, downtown Baton Rouge experienced decline as suburban development expanded. Like many American cities, businesses moved outward, and streets like 3rd Street lost foot traffic and economic momentum. In recent decades, 3rd Street has undergone steady revitalization. Former commercial buildings have been repurposed into offices, residences, restaurants, and cultural spaces. Today, the street connects government offices, local businesses, festivals, and the riverfront, blending old Baton Rouge with its modern identity. As we continue this drive, you're seeing a street that reflects Baton Rouge's full timeline, from colonial trade routes and political power to economic shifts and renewal. watching!